Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Repotting doesn't necessarily mean changing a plant's pot, it can mean changing its soil or potting mix. The size is important here. Typically when you move your plants to a larger pot, you're inclined to water more. Small plant plus oversized planter plus lots of soil plus overwatering equals killing with kindness. 13 May 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Breaking up the root ball with hands or a knife prior to setting the plant into the hole helps to encourage root growth into the surrounding soil. Failure to do so usually causes the plant to continue to be root-bound. Most plants are to some degree when they are purchased in containers. 30 November 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Repotting houseplants may seem like a simple task, but there is always a risk that your plants may not do well after repotting. What you need to understand is that repotting should not be done randomly or too frequently. 8 June 2020.
Take our lead.
What happens if you don't repot a plant? Plants that are severely root-bound will not be able to absorb enough water or nutrients. Some can handle this for a very long time, but others will start dying much faster.
Let's help you make your mark.
After repotting or potting up, plants tend to enter a period of shock. Don't worry, it's normal. Plants may appear wilted and thirsty, but take care to refrain from watering until about a week after repotting to ensure that any roots damaged during repotting have healed. 2 June 2015.
Take our lead.
All plants need water to survive. Drainage holes allow excess water to seep out of pots after watering, ensuring that water does not pool at the base of a pot, helping to protect sensitive roots from rot, fungus and bacteria. Here are a few things to remember about keeping plants in pots without drainage. 22 July 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.